Now coming to the Moodle Cloud, ICT for effective educational communication with the help of Moodle Cloud. What actually this Moodle means? Moodle is a open source web application which is going to be used to create interactive online learning sites. So just now whatever we have discussed, it is totally critical topics. That's why I have gone in a very faster manner. And most of you are faculty. Most you are also know more than me. And whatever the knowledge I have, I'm just sharing with you. Moodle is an open source web application. What is the purpose of this one is for interacting online learning sites. Who is Moodle? Means the expansion is there any for Moodle, means don't be confused between MOOC and Moodle. MOOC is different, Moodle is different. Moodle is one of the way of MOOC. Moodle stands for M is modular, O stands for object, another O stands for oriented, another D stands for dynamic, another EL stands for learning, another E stands for environment. Modular, object oriented, dynamic, learning, this environment. So modular in the sense in the form of modules, like how to teach a class, that is one module. How to conduct a quiz, that is a one module. How to create a forum, that is a module. How to create an online class in the Moodle, that is one module. How to conduct an assignment, that is one module. How to give an announcement, that is one module. That's why it is called as modular. Object oriented means whatever in the real world we are seeing, it will be appear in a dynamic way. So dynamic learning, we can teach, we can have changes up to time based on the assessment of the student. So this will be a not static learning, it's a dynamic learning. Simply this is called as an LMS, one of the LMS, learning management system. And in how many languages it is available? Moodle will be available is in 78 languages. This will be available. We have a best e-learning tool. This is a best e-learning tool. It is available worldwide for the most of the teachers and educators. Now who created this is the father or the founder of this Moodle dad is the Martin Dogimas. When he has submitted his thesis, when he doing his research he has written this entire Moodle as in the code PHP, and he has submitted as part of this research. So in the name of Martin, it stands with M. That's why the name is acronym with Moodle as name for this ELMS, Learning Management System. What teacher can do with Moodle? A teacher can do with this Moodle will be create online courses. We can have create some in the online courses. We can upload files, our lessons. We can create some open forums. We can create online tests and examination. We can divide the number of entire class as the groups. We can give some sorting to give clarification to the student. We can follow, the students can follow. This is for faculty. What students can do with the Moodle? They can follow the lessons. They can upload their homework, means their assignments, and they can appear the test, and they can give some their queries through the chat session. They can have participate in the forums. Not only this, they have lot of things are available. Now coming to this, what are the activities can be do in the Moodle? Is we can have an assignment activity. We can have a blue button. Big blue button BN stands for we can conduct a online class with the help of this button. We can call for a conference online class with this, and we can have create charts. We can have give the choices, means we can give some opinions with the help of this. We can create some database, and from that database we can store all our files. They can access. We can give external tools as well. After completion of the course or middle of every class, we can take the feedback from the student how the class you have conducted. We can have a forums. We can have the glossary. We can have the lessons. We can have the quiz and scoring packages. We can have a surveys. We can also add our own wiki. We can also have a lot of things in this one, right? Now it's a time to the participants be ready with the hands on. Now this is the packages and plans for the Moodle. Initially this is giving for a 50 users once you are going to creating, and it gives for each cloud a 200 MB. You can create your own clouds with the help of this. For 50 users, for 200 MB, it gives you for free. Later, if you are interested, if your college are interested, you can go for paid version. Don't be think that most of the things are freely available. As it is popular in the market, up to that only they will give the free. Later onwards, they will also go for paid. Slowly they can inject the paiding versions. Maybe whatever the LMS, initially they give some limited one. Once you have habitual with that one, definitely it goes to a we can call as premiums, like in the paid packages types. Okay. So how to create a cloud? Creation of the Moodle cloud is just it is go to the website moodlecloud.com.